Hey guys, this is Corey over at Goofy Gorilla IT, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to add a system to a domain. You can see here I have a machine that's called Instructor01. The full computer name is instructor01.lucernpublishing.com. This is actually one I had set up for my schooling. This system actually has Active Directory domain services already installed. If we go in here and go into the domain, click on domain controllers, you can see that this system is a domain controller. So we're going to switch over to another system real quick and try to add that into our domain. Okay, we're back here on the other system, and we'll go ahead and open Server Manager by clicking right next to the Start menu here. And you can see that this computer name is W2K8YY, and it is actually part of a work group. So there's actually two different ways to do this. The first way is clicking on the Start menu and right-clicking on Computer and going down to Properties. And once you're to the System Properties, you can actually click over here on the right and change settings. And this will take you to the same place that we go if we go to the Server Manager and in the right hand corner click on Change System Properties. And take you to the same exact spot. Once we're to the System Properties, we're going to click over here to the right where it says Change. And you can see it has a computer name. You are able to change your computer name from that area. We're going to be looking at the member of here, and right now you can see that that's part of the work group, name work group, and we're going to click up here on domain, and we're going to type in lucernpublishing.com, and we're going to click OK. And you're going to put in some kind of account that has administrator privileges, a domain administrator. And if everything goes well, then you will get a message that says welcome to whatever domain you are actually trying to join. So, in order for this to take place, you actually have to restart your computer. So you see you get a little prompt for that, and you're going to want to close out of here and go ahead and do that restart immediately. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're back now here at the login screen. And if you notice, before we installed this and joined the domain, it actually just had the word administrator right here. Now it actually has the computer name before administrator to make sure you know you're logging on to the local machine instead of the domain. So we're going to go ahead and log on just to make sure everything took place. Once we're to the desktop, you're going to go ahead and click over here on Server Manager. And once that pops up, we're going to see it's going to collect the data right here. And it no longer says just the computer name. The full computer name now is w2k8yy.lucernpublishing.com. And it is showing it as part of the lucernpublishing.com domain. So we're good to go. Those changes did take effect. Now let's test those out by logging off here. Okay, so we're on the log on screen here, and we're going to go ahead and type in LP backslash, and LP stands for Lucerne Publishing, and we're going to do administrator, and type in your password here. Whatever your domain name is, you're going to go ahead and type that out, type the full name out right here, and then it's going to be a backslash and then your username. So if you're just logging on as a regular user, then you would do LP backslash user1 or whatever username you're trying to log on as. So do administrator here. Okay, so now that we're logged on as the administrator, we want to show that we are logged on as that real quick, and then we'll be done here. So you go to the command line, type in who am I, and you'll see it says LP/administrator. So it shows you're logged in as the administrator of the LucernePublishing.com domain. That pretty much does it for this tutorial. This was a tutorial on how to join a system to a domain. And my name is Corey with Goofy Gorilla IT. Thanks for stopping by.